Master Everyday English. Scoot over, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is not just easy, it's fun and effective too. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, scoot over. It's a common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, and understanding it can help you in various social situations. So, let's scoot over to our first section and get started. When someone says, scoot over, they're asking you to move a little to the side and make some space. This phrase is usually used in informal settings and is often associated with seating arrangements. Imagine you're sitting on a bench and there's enough space for another person. If they want to sit down, they might say, "Could you scoot over?" They're asking you to shift your position so there's room for them too. The word, scoot, has an interesting history. It comes from a Scandinavian root meaning, to shoot. In English, it took on the meaning of, to move quickly. Over time, scoot became a playful way of telling someone to move or slide in a particular direction. When we add, over, to, scoot, it specifies the direction, to the side, rather than forward or backward. Scoot over is best used in casual situations. It's not a phrase you would want to use in formal contexts. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. If you're sitting on a crowded couch, you can say to your friend, "Hey, can you scoot over a bit?" In a public transport scenario, like on a bus or train, someone might ask, "Could you scoot over so I can sit?" Remember, while the request is informal, it's always important to be polite when asking someone to move. There are a few variations of scoot over that carry the same or similar meanings. Slide over, move over, shift over. All of these phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your preference. Let's practice using scoot over in a sentence. I'll give you a scenario, and you try to come up with a sentence using our phrase. Scenario: you're at the movie theater, and there's an empty seat next to you for your friend who's just arrived. What would you say? Pause for a moment to let viewers think. If you said, "Scoot over to make room for Sarah," you got it right. And there we have it, folks. You now know how to use the phrase, scoot over, like a native speaker. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're feeling a bit more confident in your English speaking skills. Remember, practice is key, so try using scoot over next time you're in a social setting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time.